Hi, this video tour is presented from our group. So we are having the spare parts inventory system with the inclusion of features uh, using the login and register of user. This feature is to also have all the staff registered their account so that we won't be able to manually input it and the user can plug in freely. So our system is deployed in a domain, so it won't be any more problem with the uh, accessibility. So another features added is the adding of product details, which is it also includes the images of the products or the items, add sales data, updating product details, dashboard analytics, and can download actual report, inventory of the products, which is the main and the sole feature of our system, the purchase details for bulk orders, and the multi-store or the multi-warehouse, just in case the company expand their warehouses. So let me walk you through from our tech stack and the software that we have used. So first is the render. This is the database, the actual live backend database in which uh, the the admin can able or is able to see kung ano yung activities ng isang user. Next is the Vercel. Vercel is where we deploy the system. So next is a GitHub. GitHub is a backup of our codes. Then, ang our visible client is ang ASTI Real Services Philippines. And last but not the least is our cloud server database. So, dito nakalagay yung details ng mga datas. So, especially the user. So, for software, meron kaming specific na login for our group. So, tinawag namin itong admin@gmail.com. So, once signed in na, so may makikita tayong successfully login na pop-up messages. So, here are the dashboard, yung unang feature na dinagdag namin. So, when I reload the page, so lahat ng nakikita natin sa dashboard is updated. So, merong sales, purchase, total products, and total warehouse. So, ito, yung pinaka-graph, yung downloadable siya na data kapag ni-request ng isang management. Then, the donut. So, the donut graph, ito din yung nag-update siya depende sa uh, inventory. So, for improvement po siya, just in case, kasi some of the products and data that we have requested from the client is confidential. Then, yep, here. Then, for inventory, so we also able to see the total products, which is the 3 items. So the warehouse, which can also able to see the revenue, but this is a sample revenue that comes from our test executions. The top selling, which kung ano ba yung nabenta sa company from their consumers. And nakikita din natin kung ano yung low on stock na. So we added here the search bar. So, kapag naghahanap tayo ng item na pag marami ng data, so, nandito lang siya. Reload lang natin. F. Ayun. Bike. I think searchable naman siya if ever. Yan, like that. So, dito, makikita din natin sa more is the ability to view the products here. So here, the time belt, the pulley sa view. So ito yung mga images na na-add. Then the user can also add products here and successfully upload images sa database natin. So for purchase details, dito naman yung kung ano yung nakikita nila sa purchasing team kapag pwede nilang i-add for their invoices or for their tracking record. So ito namang feature po ito is additional na lang for them. Then para mapagtugma yung mga details from the sales team, nag-add din kami ng feature na ganito, which is kung ano yung nasosolve from their consumers. Then finally, the managed warehouse in which kung saang warehouse nanggagaling yung product nila. I think that's all. So, thank you.